my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
Hey, welcome back into another video. So today I'm revealing this hair from Hotbeautyhair. Look at the packaging.
Every night with you and me so clueless. We were just
They added some goodies inside.
along tonight.
Wow, let's open and see. That is a hair tie, a scarf that came with it.
We were in
We have a purse,
your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young.
a cap wig, and a bracelet. Wow, that's so nice of them. And this is so cute. Look at her, it's shining like diamond. This is so nice of them. Look at how gorgeous it is. Let's see what inside this purse. Edge brush, bobby pins,
Thinking we'll be young forever. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll
clips,
be young forever. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be.
elastic band,
Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings. Unable
and lastly, a tweezers.
to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so clueless.
So guys, this is the hair. The hair is 4x4 lace closure wavy hair in natural color. The length of the hair is 14 inches.
We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking
You can see the wavy.
we're driving in your mom's old.
This is natural black.
In too deep.
The lace is 4x4 lace closure. That's the inside of the wig, and it came also with a band at the back to hold your wig firmly to your head, and also some combs and adjustable strap. So let's dig into the installation of this hair.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know.
I'm going to leave the information about this wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. Like I said, the hair is 14 inches and its wavy is 4x4 lace closure.
Always there in my mind.
I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box and some other wigs they have on their website. If you are interested, you can check that out. So what I do, firstly, you guys know I don't have that time to bleach the knot, so I use this body spray on it.
Reach out to me.
This is just to make it look like my skin. Okay, so that is all I did, and the wig is on.
Rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I
You can see the coils are so bouncing. There was no smell to the hair. That is why you see I smelled the hair. There was no smell, no bad smell to the hair. So I cleaned off the body spray. That is the white substance you're seeing on the wig. So I just try to clean that. While cleaning that, I'm dancing. Guys, this video, I danced all through this video because I was playing music. Because of copyright issues, I decided to just silence those interesting music because I don't want YouTube to come for me.
in the best song, I'll be there if you reach out to me.
just pack the hair backward and I'm going to trim off the excess lace from it. Meanwhile, before I filmed this video, I was so hungry and my room was so cold. I put on my heater, but the heater, I don't know what happened. I was still feeling cold, so I had to go and make some coffee, some chocolate, some cappuccino. That was what I was drinking. It's so unusual of me. I don't normally eat when I'm filming, but I just had to because I was so cold. So I'm just cutting off the excess lace from the wig.
Oh, Lord, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So I'm going to leave all the information about the wig on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. The direct link to this very one, this wavy, you can see the hair is so beautiful. So that is it. It's perfect. You can leave it like this. I just want to show you guys, if you're not a fan of baby hairs, you can just decide to leave it this way and it's gorgeous. You can see those curls. I did not add anything to it, no water, no cream. And look at how defined these coils are. Look at how wavy these coils are. I so much like the coils. And the length as well, the 14 inches, is so gorgeous. So you can part the hair. You can see you can part it by the corner lower part. You can do a lower part with this hair, even though it's 4x4 in a 4x4 lace wig. That is it. You see what I did? You can shift it a little bit lower if you want to do that. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, this video is sponsored by Hotbeautyhair. Thank you, Hotbeautyhair, for sponsoring this video. So guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to leave my Instagram handle is Chelsea_Christophe. Follow me on Instagram. If you don't see me on YouTube, I'm always on Instagram. Try and follow me, okay? Thank you for doing that, gorgeous. So that is it. I show you guys how you can put it by the side and I took it to the middle. You guys know I'm a fan of middle part. I love anything middle part. I cannot do without it. I'm trying these days to like do corner part, side part, lower side part, but I'm so much a fan of a middle part. So after that, I decide to bring out some baby hairs. This is optional. Like I said, I show you at the beginning, if you don't want to do baby hairs, you can carry the hair like that. You can just wear the hair like that. So I bring out some baby hairs and that is it. So I'm twisting little from it. You guys know I'm not a fan of this twist when you twist your hair, but I just had to do little, okay?
Amazed by you.
If you're an OG, you should know that I'm not so much a fan of twisting baby hair, but sometimes I just have to. So look at it with the baby hairs on, slay queen. Okay, you guys can see it's popping. And no water added to the hair, no cream added to the hair yet. So I just want to add cream, little cream to one side of it, so guys, so that you guys can see how it will look if you add any coily cream. You can see that, you see the hair, you can see that. So I just want to demonstrate it for you guys. If you want to add cream to it, this is how it will look. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So I use the scarf just to tie the front of my hair. It looks so slay, so gorgeous. I like this. Thank you, Hotbeautyhair, for sending me this beautiful wig. So guys, don't forget, like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this hair on the description box. If you like it, head down to the description box to get yours. And they have so many different wigs on their website. You can check that out. Please, before you go, if you like this video and if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe, join the gorgeous family, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you. Bye.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid.